Mechpro Blue Pressure Washers are perfect for cleaning cars, motorbikes, caravans, boats and four-wheel drives, plus areas around the home and garden, including patios, pathways, driveways and house facades. The Mechpro Blue 1400 watt pressure washer includes a 1520 psi maximum pressure and a 6.8 litre per minute maximum flow rate, featuring a variable pattern lance nozzle for easy jet to fan spray adjustment, plus a click-on inline detergent bottle ideal for cleaning vehicles. It has a quality high-pressure metal pump fitting, convenient onboard storage and 5-metre hose and electrical cord. The 1400 watt pressure washer also weighs just 4.5 kilograms and includes durable wheels for easy manoeuvrability. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Mechpro Blue 1400 watt pressure washer is ideal for the serious DIYer.